Pete's RV TV here today. Great announcement. We've got next month's Campfire Special. So my friends from Camco have done it again. This month we are going to highlight the Sewer Extender Pro, which is this little cool gadget right here. And what this guy's for, if anybody has hooked up a sewer hose at any point in their camping career, this thing is a game changer, and especially as I get a little older too. So what this thing's intended to do is we can go ahead and grab our sewer hose, and not only can we lock it in while we're up here, we don't have to be bent over when we're locking it in, and it's got a handle on it so we can lock that in, make that tight. But now we've got this handle on here, so when we go to lock it on the camper, and we know, so when we're putting this on the camper, sometimes we're bent down or that evacuation point is very deep under the camper, so having this extra leverage on here is going to be just incredible for hooking that up. It's also lit too, so if you wanted to see what you're doing in the dark, you can also do so. So Sewer Extender Pro, this month's Campfire Special, gonna be heavily on sale. Look for it at all the Pete's RV stores. Thank you, Camco. Look forward to seeing you on the road. Happy camping.